everyone!
Welcome to this video.
You're watching ID Funkama and this is a festival special vlog.
This week we celebrated Saraswati Puja.
And for those who are not familiar with Saraswati Puja, every year on the onset of spring, Saraswati Puja is celebrated predominantly by Bengalis from the state of West Bengal in India. Goddess Saraswati is known as the goddess of wisdom, knowledge, music, art, speech and learning.
In this video we are going to show you how we prepped for the celebration.
And also how we carried out the rituals while worshipping Goddess Saraswati. And so to celebrate this occasion, I did a dance rendition for Goddess Saraswati and the link will be up here and also in the description box.
With that intro,
let's take you through our vlog. এখন আমরা মায়ের বসার জায়গাটা একটু সাজিয়ে নেব. So we'll now be decorating the place, the exact place in our house where we want to welcome Goddess Saraswati and we want to embrace her here. So we have already cleaned the area and we will nicely decorate it so that it's pleasant for her to come and stay here. এখন আমি একটু আলপনা দিয়ে নেব for all the non-Bengalis out there. Alpana is traditionally something done by Bengalis in an auspicious occasion. Basically, we do different patterns and motifs through paint, and traditionally we use rice and or flour paste, but I'm going to use colors today. So I'm using white acrylic color. With white it really stands out, so I'm using white. I would need some brushes. I've kept various sizes here. So what I'll do first is I'll draw a rough rough outline of the design with pencil, and then I'm gonna go in with the colors and do all the intricate design. So let's get going. And in India it's actually done on the floor directly, but here in the UK I have like carpet in my living room where I'm doing the puja. So I'm using this sort of cardboard. So we get so many deliveries, right? So I've just cut a cardboard piece out and I'm gonna do the alpana on that. এসে গেছে সরস্বতী পূজার সকাল. So today we'll be worshipping Goddess Saraswati and she is sitting on her throne now, and I've kept the alpana that I was doing yesterday near her feet, and we have some fresh flowers to have a pleasant atmosphere for her, and we have some fruits, 5 types of fruits, and when I offer it to her I'll draw it to you properly, and I have to quickly go and make some payasam, and while I'm making that I'll tell you more about it. So we have about only 2 hours left of the auspicious time we can do this puja in, so I better get cracking. So now I'm in my kitchen and I'm making the payasam. In Bengali it's called Baish. This is like rice pudding, so you boil milk for a long time and really condense it, and then you add like rice to it, and I'm doing the rice payasam. For the sweetness you add jaggery or sugar, and you can also add dry fruits. So I'm going to quickly heat the pan. I'm going to add the milk to the pan. Now I'm not going to make too much because this is like offering to the goddess, and then we eat it as prasad, which is like the food is then blessed, and then we consume it as a way of getting the blessings from the goddess. Because this is a 2-liter one, I'm going to use a liter of milk, like roughly 1 liter of milk. The idea is that I use 1 liter of milk to begin with, and I get the volume down to half of whatever I'm using. So if you're starting with 2 liters, you get it to 1 liter a minimum. I've reduced the hob setting to 5, if you notice here, because we don't want it getting burnt on the surfaces, and we have to be really patient with this and let it boil and condense. Now the level of the milk has reduced considerably, so I'll be adding rice to it for it to start boiling. To the milk, I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves, and I have crushed about 8 to 9 cardamoms here, so that's elaichi, and I'm gonna add that as well. You can see here it's almost really thick now, and the rice is almost boiled as well. I'll add the sugar. So I've added the sugar now. I'm going to give it a stir. Another minute or 2 and this payasam should be ready. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ghee now. While this incorporates, I'm gonna quickly get some cashews and almonds and lightly crush those. Quickly take out 5 types of fruit, so 1 fruit of each type are in this plate to give it to goddess Saraswati. What we do is we buy these fruits separately for any festival, and we don't mix it with what we consume, and we keep it separate. It's just a way of thinking that it's exclusive for the god, and that once she has eaten a bit and blessed it, and then we can have it after that. এবার পুষ্পাঞ্জলি হবে। ওম ভদ্রকালে নমো নিত্যে সরস্বতী নমো নমঃ বেদ বেদান্ত বেদাঙ্গ বেদাস্থানেব এবচ এষ সচন্দন বিল্লপত্র পুষ্পাঞ্জলি শ্রী শ্রী সরস্বতী নমঃ। এবার হাত জোড় করে প্রণাম মন্ত্র। ওম জয় জয় দেবী চরাচর সারে কুচুচুক শোভিত
কুচুচুক শোভিত
মুক্তাহারে
মুক্তাহারে
বীণা রঞ্জিত
বীণা রঞ্জিত
পুস্তক হস্তে
পুস্তক হস্তে
ভগবতী ভারতী
ভগবতী ভারতী
দেবী নমস্তে
দেবী নমস্তে
ওম
ওম
সরস্বতী
সরস্বতী
মহাভাগে
মহাভাগে
বিদ্যে
বিদ্যে
কমললোচনে
কমললোচনে
বিশ্বরূপে
বিশ্বরূপে
বিশালাক্ষী
বিশালাক্ষী
বিদ্যাং দেবী
বিদ্যাং দেহি
নমঃস্তুতে।
নমস্তে।
So the puja, the worshipping of goddess Saraswati, all the rituals are now done. So
মধুর ধ্বনি বাজে হৃদয় কমল বনমাঝে মধুর।
thank you for watching this video.
Please like and share with your friends.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Hope you liked our content and please comment on the video below.
We hope that Goddess Saraswati showers her blessings
On
on
everyone.
everyone. And on that note, it's a wrap for this video.
See you in the next video.
Until next time, take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you.